No, no,
But
no.
hey man, I sold a $25 million deal.
There's actually 42 different buildings.
42 buildings.
Absolutely. Got to get out here and make sure that the stuff we're coming up with in the lab is actually working for the guys in the field.
So guys, let's talk about that tear-off phase real quick.
Yep.
We obviously are stripping it down to the decking.
As you can see, the shingles are coming off, but the underlayment is still there. Absolutely, and there's always an angle with insurance, so there's always an
Or
angle.
maybe you throw it in as a free value added to get the deal.
Yeah, absolutely. But the synthetics have really taken over the saturated felt.
Yeah, we make our shingle a little bit bigger, which is going to save these guys some time. So on average, it's 8 fewer shingles to nail down per square.
Water shield, we got our synthetic, we got our starter shingles.
We're trying our best to save grass and landscaping.
Is Scotch Guard protector from 3M is built into Atlas shingles, and that copper is released slowly over a really long period of time.
There's two different ways that you have to explain warranties to consumers. The real value in the warranty is in the non-prorated period.
That's what we talk about. You have to be the one that brings it and not the one that is asked if they have it.
How to fill out a set of build contracts correctly. We'd like to back out some of these smaller trades because they're cosmetic and focus on the roof. By the way, they're not going to tell you no because then they're on record for saying no to a safety issue, and if something did happen, that could be a big liability for saying no. Take a look. Let's see if we can find any points of wind intrusion. So you can see some old hail splatter. There's some over there, some over there.